Hi! I feel like it's been so long since I've been in front of the camera, but hey, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Midnightchocolat, and you are back with another vlog. And today, we are getting ready for autumn. I mean, autumn is already here, but we're just having a lovely autumn day. And as you will have seen in the previous clips, I'm making some soup. I've never actually made tomato soup from scratch. So this is my first time, but I will definitely be doing a reel and recording and showing the whole way. So it's actually pretty easy. You just put all the vegetables to roast and then you blend it. But I'm gonna still take you through the route anyways. And I'm also gonna be making some other soups as well. I'm going to be making French onion soup. I just need to go buy the cheese. No, actually, to be fair, I've actually got a decent amount of cheese. I could make it. I just need white wine because we got to put the white wine in the French onion soup. And then, yeah, I got the baguette as well. So, what's more French than some baguette, you know? But yeah, and then we're going to be checking out for some decorations as well. I'm not going to be going too heavy because let me tell you why. Fall, I love fall, but this is not my season. Christmas is where I want to go heavy hard with the decorations. So I'm gonna leave that for that, but I'm gonna get some maybe like wax melts that are autumn themed, candles that are autumn themed, so you know we can smell, you know, the autumn, get into the autumn season, you know. And also I bought some coffee. I'm gonna try and make like a pumpkin flavored or like autumn flavored coffee. But the meals that we're about to make is all fall inspired and I'm so excited. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see here, I've placed the peppers, garlic, tomato. We've got a little bit of mixed herb seasoning, got black pepper, Himalayan pink salt, and we're going to pop that into the oven to roast up. Then we are going to blend it up. I did forget the onion, but you will see that I did roast that later when I'd realized that I had forgotten it. So nevertheless, look at how roasted these vegetables came out. It was gorgeous. Now the onion is done, so now we're gonna blend. I use Maggie cube as my chicken bouillon cube, as they like to say, aka chicken stock. There's all the vegetables ready. There's my hand blender, and let's get into the mixing process. Now, when I was blending this, I should have just done it straight in the pot, but I wanted to do it in the bowl first, then transfer it into the pan. But I just do it in the pot. And here is me putting some cream. I think I did put a little bit of more, but you'll see how I kind of balanced out the extra cream. So you can see me go ahead with the process. Wish me luck. So I had to add some tomato puree, but more so for the color because it was looking quite light, but I think that's because of the cream. But it's got a nice orangey color, very autumny, very fall-like. So I think this is good. I'm just going to add a bit more seasoning and then plate it out, just because the tomato will have brought down the flavour. cheese segment. I'm gonna make the grilled cheese so I can dip this in my lovely tomato soup. Okay, so here goes. I'm using the Philadelphia garlic and herb spread, the cheese spread. Ooh, where's this wall coming from? It must be open. Lighter British mature sliced cheese, using some mozzarella that I have here, using the Lurpax lighter. Although I heard a trick to make a grilled cheese more cheesier, use mayo. So I might put butter on one side of the bread and mayonnaise on the other, just to add extra pull. But to be fair, with mozzarella in the game, I feel like I might have the cheese pull right now. So let's get going. I added some extra garnishes. I added some red jalapeno peppers, and the color that is brought to the plate is gorgeous. And here is the grilled cheese. I'm gonna cut it in half and we can eat. Look how pretty this is. Thank God I've taken all of the pictures. Okay, zoom to me now. Good work. Let's take this spoonful. This is good. This is really good. I've never had tomato soup with grilled cheese before. I know. Unfortunately, there's no cheese ball. That is quite upsetting. So Saturday I didn't get the chance to vlog. However, I was recording a mukbang. I was live streaming. I also was unboxing a PR that I got sent from Jecca Blac, their new brow seal. Thank you. I did a TikTok review. Go check it out. Midnightchocolat. And yeah, so I was live streaming majority of the time. Link will be down below. I usually go on live, and on my live I give out up to 30% vouchers off your favorite brands. And if you're new to Agora, you can get in with my code MidnightNew5 and get £5 off your £10 code. And also on there, I dyed my fringe. Like, you just need to worry about coming home and cooking it. Which I just... So I've got the apple and plum cooking, we've got that whipping. But yeah, we had such a lovely dinner. It was a nice catch up. And yeah, we're gonna take some pictures. Gonna show the behind the scenes of that, and then that'll be my spend an autumn weekend with me done. Next weekend we'll do some decorating, and that'll be really fun. Lovely. The crumble has been made. The filling has been made. I'm literally going to chuck it in the air fryer. And yeah, I'm so excited for this. This is so good. It's always nice spending time with good friends and eating good food.
Popping around.
It looks good though. Maybe when we like plate it out. Crumble time. Oh, look at that. Another spoonful. Oh, that looks so delicious. Okay, do you want to drink? Oh, yes. Oh. We're about to eat good.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Ooh. After this amazing food, honestly, I don't know how we found the energy, but we did, to take these amazing pictures. Look at them. But yes, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.